The tag group is a special identifier used in sports code. You can add a tag to a tag group by selecting the tag and opening the Inspector Properties window. In the Tag Group section, create a new group or select an existing group to the menu choices available. For instance, for a basketball game, we have created tags named 2-point and 3-point. I'm going to create a tag group called Shot Type, and then I'll add the 2-point and 3-point tags to this tag group. For made and missed, I have created a tag group called Shot Result. When we are coding, that extra tag group flag will be picked up in sports code and can be used in the sorter. It will become a column header in the sorter that you can sort by. So you may want to sort by all different shot types and shot results and see the frequency of 2-point versus 3-point goals made.